All right, sir. This is my client's representative who got allocated today at Tiara, the masterpiece. Sir, what do you feel? What is your what can you say so far about this allocation?
Well. So far, I'm very delighted because once you said it, once you promise, I fulfill it.
Exactly.
That's what that's what
The joy
make
is-
me happy.
Okay.
That once I entrust something on the hand of somebody
And it's done.
it's done. That's all. So
Sir.
I'm so happy for me to have gotten the allocation as you has promised
As promised.
for today.
So that means you are recommending us, right?
100%.
Thank you very much.
100%.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes.
So these are the
Nice.
these are the documents. Congratulations again once again.
You're welcome. You're
Thank you
welcome.
very much.
You're
Thank you
welcome.
very much. All right, sir. You know, the regret I still have today whenever I drive past Banana Island, Lekki Phase 1, Ikoyi, is due to the fact that my parents, my grandparents, my father, my late father, never got the opportunity to invest there. And it's a thing of regret that we may not be able to afford that place, probably in our own lifetime, or if God shows us mercy. And you have seen, the video clip of people who are buying this place, and you still want further persuasion. Look at us here. That is the airport. That is the airport. A land in Ajawo Estate and the Muritala axis is sold in hundreds of millions. You see 700 million, 1 billion. But you can still get this place here. You see, I honestly don't know the story you will tell your children or even generations to come, that you once had an opportunity to buy this wonderful piece of luxury facing the airport. I don't want you to share the same regret that our ancestors, our fathers, our great-grandfathers have. And that is why it is very important as a visionaire to have something like this. People who are buying this place are not stupid. There's an airport here. Recently, the deal was signed between Lagos State government and the Turkish development company to start this airport next year. So you might be saying, the airport may not happen to. Of course, it takes time to build. Rome was not built in a day. But there's a confirmation that there's an airport coming here. What other persuasion do you need? The amazing thing is that with the current economic situation right now, if you're in the diaspora, buying property right now favors you because the dollar or the pounds or whichever currency you are using to buy right now, you are spending less to get more. Whether it is Tiara, the first phase, present selling for 30 million you want, or Tiara phase 2, present selling for 22 million, or even phase 3, I beg you in God's name, have something here. Look at it. This is the airport. This is the airport. You don't need further persuasion. Because the thing is that, God forbid, what story will you tell that you had an opportunity to buy this place and you ignored it? What story would you tell? This is my 4th allocation here in this estate. COO is the title. Government is not coming to give them issues. They have their papers, they have everything. So if you're watching this video, this is a golden opportunity for you to own a gold mine. More importantly, if you are thinking of having something you can fall back on for retirement, this is the airport. Look at it again. This is it. It has been approved. The project is starting next year. You might be saying the money is high, but it has a C of O. There is this confidence and this assurance that your investment is safe. And do you know one thing? Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. And when we're talking about giving property recommendation, we always look at the title, we always look at the development, so that even if surprises comes in the future, we know that we have dealt with somebody that can protect your interest. And that is the justification for the price. Don't go for the cheap and lose out in the future. Go for the one that is verified, for the one that is authenticated, for the ones that have the legal and the financial capacity to protect your investment. So once again, I want to say a very big congratulations to my client who just got allocated today. She's not here, she's in the diaspora. Trust me, the way you invest is inspiring me to do so. So congratulations to you. So I just feel I should share this video, okay? I don't even need to talk more. Many people have seen this video. This is Tiara, the phase 1, still selling. We have 324 square meters. We have 500 square meters. We have 1,000 square meters. Also for Tiara 2.0, there's an access road going on right now, and this obviously is just the best of its kind. If you're a real estate investor, keen. If you're thinking of long time, if you're thinking of retirement, keen, so that when you confidently, you won't drive past this location and wish you had the property there. Today, my father is late, my grandfather is late, but I still share the regret that they don't own Lekki Phase 1, they don't own Banana Island. Today, those places cost a fortune, and people who invested there will never be poor, because their investment there rakes hundreds of millions, either monthly, quarterly, or annually. This is the airport. Imagine what happens when this place becomes fully functional. People coming all over the world. The refinery has started operation. The free trade zone has started operation. Ladies and gentlemen, what other persuasion do you have? We still have it. The initial deposit, we have 3 million for half plot, 5 million for full plot. There's a payment plan. Come on. See, you really need to consider this and invest here. Now, I'm not saying you're coming here to build immediately. You're having your own share of the gold mine if you invest here. You're having your own share of a very, very good retirement plan. Imagine what this place will look like 3, 4, 5 years from today. The question is, will you still have the energy and the strength to do what you're doing presently? And this is why investing now is the best decision you can make. Like I said, 500 square meter, 30 million, 300 square meter is also available. We have it. I'm going to share the pricing. If you cannot afford this, we have the phase 2, 22 million for 500 square meter, all inclusive. We have it here. We have the phase 2 is not far from here, and the phase 2 is directly facing the airport, just like this. This is facing the airport. The phase 2 is also facing the airport. Make sure you have something here, so that few years from today, when the place becomes very, very open and it's all short for investment destination for real estate investor, you will be thanking me for making this decision. My number is below the caption of this video. Once again, I want to say congratulations to my client that got allocated. Look at the Lekki Expressway, look at other development and this access. Trust me, you are making the best decision. See you in my next video. Bye.